Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Bluetooth not working on iPad Pro 11 M5. Let's begin! In order to troubleshoot any issues with Bluetooth itself, we first want to go into the settings and then into Bluetooth settings right here. And here we have all our Bluetooth devices currently being connected. The first and probably the easiest way for you to fixing any kind of bugs really is to just go and disable the Bluetooth. As you can see, we have some sort of warning that few things will stop working. For example, the AirDrop, AirPlay, Find My and location services. So we can go into turn off. And as you can see now, my pen also stopped working, which is completely fine. So I can just leave it here, and I think it should be like this. Yeah. And now we want to just go and enable our, oh my god, yes, thank you, yes, I don't really care, my friends. We want to enable our Bluetooth once again, and after that short restart we have our earpods. Now we can just open them. And once we open them, they should be connecting. Of course, this only works for earbuds. If you have, for example, headphones, you need to put them into pairing mode, or just you can activate them by pressing and holding the power button. And as you can see, currently, these aren't doing anything. No matter how many times I open them, the LED shows up. They are not connecting automatically. If this happens to you, then you all just want to click our little device, and as you can see we have a warning that we want to make sure that our device is turned on and in range. So we can once again try to close them, to open them. We can click one more time, and as you can see we still have problems. What we can do then? Well, I will just proceed to do the same thing. So I will now turn off the Bluetooth. And after a few seconds, I will turn it on again, with also turning on the my little earbuds here. And unfortunately, the connection is still unsuccessful. So we can go into this eye icon, and I will just go into forget this device. So now our iPad will behave like it never really saw it in the first place. We can try to open them one more time. Also, as a little warning, it's a very high chance that my earbuds here are just out of battery, because I can't really remember the last time I charged them up. So it could be battery talking, because I think that usually the LED here are brightening up for much long time. As you can see, there isn't anything on them. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have your device charged up, otherwise you won't be able to connect with your iPad. And then you want to just reboot your Bluetooth, and after that you can reboot and forget the device and then pair it once again with your own phone. But the reason it's not working for me is probably because this little thing is just dead and out of battery, unfortunately. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.